Title: Super Buddies, Galaxy Adventure. Script: Intro. Welcome, kids. Today, we're embarking on an incredible galaxy adventure with the Super Buddies team. Are you ready? Main story: in sky, there's a galaxy filled with colorful stars. However, evil aliens are trying to take over this beautiful galaxy. Luckily, the Super Buddies team is here. Super Cat, Super Chicken, Super Elephant, and Super Turtle join forces to protect the galaxy. One day, the evil aliens arrive with a massive spaceship to conquer the galaxy. The Super Buddies team springs into action. Super Cat runs with lightning speed. Super Chicken soars through the air. Super Elephant hears everything with its giant ears, and Super Turtle takes cover. Together, the team devises a plan to stop the evil aliens. Challenges: on their journey, the Super Buddies face various challenges. They participate in dance competitions with aliens, solve mysterious sounds from giant planets, and get lost amidst colorful meteor showers. However, they overcome each challenge by helping each other and solving fun puzzles. Infinitibittle. Finally, the Super Buddies engage in an epic battle with the evil aliens. Super Cat attacks swiftly. Super Chicken launches its eggs. Super Elephant hears the enemy's plans with its giant ears, and Super Turtle quickly takes cover. Together, the team repels the evil aliens and protects the galaxy. Finale: see Super Buddies return to the galaxy victorious. Kids have had a great adventure today while having fun with what they learned. Remember, friendship is always the greatest power.